Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I did my makeup with my black and silver saree. If you're interested, then please keep on watching. First of all, I'm applying my moisturizer from Clinique. I'm applying all over my face. I want to keep my face hydrated. Just massage gently all over your face. Now moving on to the eyebrows, I'm going to apply my favorite eyebrow gel cream from MAC, which is in the shade Deep Dark Brunt. I like to fill in my eyebrows with this product. This is so easy and really blendable. So I just like to fill my eyebrows in with this. Now I'm using this Benefit Gimme Brow Gel in the shade number 3 just to fix my brows. Next, I'm going to prime my eyelid with the MAC Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light. I like to use this product. I'm using my damp beauty sponge to blend all this product into my eyelid. Now to set this concealer, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier translucent powder with this brush. It's really important to set your primer or set your concealer, whatever you applied, with the translucent powder or with the loose powder. Now I'm applying my Models Prefer eye pencil all over my eyelid. I'm just going to apply it roughly because I'm going to give the base to my eyeshadow. I like to use the tape on the sides because the edges will be very sharp when we take the tape off. It will look so good. Doesn't matter if it's not smudging it properly because anyway we're gonna put black eyeshadow on the top, and I'm just going to blend it with this fluffy brush. Here I'm going to use a little bit more product from the same eye pencil because I like to make my eyes intense. Here I'm applying this black eyeshadow on the top of that eyeliner base. I'm just applying with the flat shader brush all over my eyelid. And I'm doing the same to my other eye. Here is the close look of my eye, now how it looks like. On the eyeliner, I just applied the black eyeshadow. Now I'm taking this orange color. The name is Burnt Orange from Soft Glam palette for my crease area. I'm just applying all over my crease. And the brush is from Real Technique anyway. I'm just going to blend it out my crease area with this color. Now I'm going to blend this black and the crease color together with this crease brush. I'm just going to blend it out all together so that it look even. Now I'm taking a little bit more black color to blend it together. Here I feel like I need more color. I just put a little bit more color, and now I'm taking my Real Technique brush and blend it all crease and black color together. Just take your time for blending. Now I'm taking this silver glitter from Sephora and applying all over my eyelid on the smoky eye. I love the combination black and the silver. Here I'm taking a flat brush and spreading that silver glitter all over my eyelid. I'm taking here a little bit more glitter. Here I'm applying my Maybelline Hyper Sharp Wing Eyeliner and I'm making a little wing of it. And now it's time to take the tape off. Now I'm going to apply this shimmer color right here to highlight my brow bone and the inner corner as well. Here I'm going to tightline my eyes with the same eye pencil which is from Model's Prefer in the color black. And for the foundation, I use Fenty Beauty foundation today. Next I'm using my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer to highlight my under eye area, my forehead, my nose, my cupid and little bit of my chin. Here I'm using my same beauty sponge and blending it out all the product to my skin and where I want to highlight. Now I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent powder to set the under eye area. I'm using this fluffy brush, the rounded one, for all over my face to set the powder. I'm using this Nepolean Perdis contour. It's a powder contour. Just using the usual area where I want to contour on my forehead, my cheeks, nose and my jawline. Now I'm going to blend my contour with this angular brush. When you use angular brush, it's really so easy to blend your contour to your cheeks. For nose, I'm using this small angular brush. I find like it's really easy to blend the nose contour if you use the small brush like that. Now I'm making my under eye area to make my nose contour sharp, and the same with my cheeks. I like to apply the powder underneath my contour. That's what I'm doing here. And your contour will look so sharp after this. Once it will bake, your contour will look so pretty. Now going back to the eyes again, I'm taking the same palette, the soft glam one, and using those two color which one I use for my eyes with this angular brush, and I'm putting those color into my lower lash line. And for mascara, I'm using Clinique mascara to curl my lashes. Even I put the falsies on, still I like to curl it, you know that. It will blend your natural lashes to your falsies. Now baking is done, so I'm taking all the powder out with the fluffy brush from my under eye area and from my cheek area as well. And for the blush, I'm using Tarte blush in the color pink, which has sparkle on it, and I'm so obsessed with this color. I'm using my Real Techniques brush to put this blush on. Now for the highlighter, I'm using MAC highlighter in the shade Soft and Gentle. Applying with Real Techniques brush on my cheekbones, on my cupid, my nose, bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and a little bit on my cheek. Now for the lips, I'm using my lip liner from MAC in the color the Rosy Rim. And for the lipstick, I'm using MAC lipstick in the shade Spirit and applying all over my lips. As you know, I like to mix my colors, my lip color, even my blush color, even my foundations. So I'm going to apply one more lipstick on the top of it. I'm applying this Sephora lipstick on the top of the MAC lipstick which I applied in the shade Spirit. And finishing up my makeup with this setting spray which is from MAC prep+prime. And this is the final look, you guys. I leave my hair straight. I feel like if you leave your hair straight or make a bun, it will look more elegant with sari. I really hope you guys will like this video. If you do like this video, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.